Hey, welcome to Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. And today I want to teach you how to play an iconic riff by Roy Orbison's Pretty Woman. And that's coming up. Hello and thanks for showing up to learn this iconic riff by Roy Orbison's Pretty Woman. It's an iconic riff, and it by itself, you know what song it is. So if this is your first time here, have a look around the channel. If you like what you see, consider subscribing for more guitar tips. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to play the iconic riff, and then stay tuned so I can show you how to get the chords for this and some other great iconic riffs. And this iconic riff can be played with an electric guitar or an acoustic guitar, and I'm going to show you how to play it on an acoustic guitar. So let's zoom in and get with it. Alright, first we're starting out on the open E string, the 6th string. You're going to pick that twice. Then with your 3rd finger, pick the 4th fret of the 6th string. Then we're going to pick, using your 1st finger, the 2nd fret of the A string. And then an open D string, the 4th string. And it actually starts out like that, those notes right there. It starts out like that, and then in come the chords. But the rest of the riff that you hear is open E string, pick it twice, 4th fret of the E string, 2nd fret of the A string, open D string, 4th fret of the D string, 2nd fret of the D string. So at the beginning of the song, you play the open E string twice, 4th fret of the E string, 2nd fret of the A string, open D string. Play that twice, and then the verse begins. When it gets to the iconic riff, you're going to play that through 4 times. Then it goes to the 2nd verse, and then after the 2nd verse you're going to play the iconic riff 3 times through. And the song ends with the iconic riff and then hitting the A string. But if you want to learn all the chords like I told you, check the link in the description where these chords for this song, in fact the entire song is in that link, and there's some other great riffs, so check it out. If you enjoyed this video, can you give it a thumbs up, click the like button, share it with your friends, and leave me a comment and tell me what your favorite riff is. Don't forget to watch this video next. Thanks.